The restaurant opens at 6 o'clock. Claire likes to arrive 1 hour early. She checks the reservation book first. Mr. Tanaka has a table for 4 at 7 o'clock. Mr. Tanaka comes here often. He always asks for the corner table by the window. Claire makes sure the table is ready. She checks the chairs, the glasses, and the napkins. The note in the book says one guest has a birthday tonight. Claire thinks it must be for a child. She goes to the kitchen. She asks the chef to prepare a small birthday cupcake. The chef makes a beautiful cupcake with pink frosting and small flowers. There is one pink candle on top. At 7 o'clock, Mr. Tanaka arrives with 3 other people. Claire looks at the group. There are no children. Claire shows them to their table. She takes their coats and brings the menus. One of the women at the table looks much older than the others. Her hair is white and her face is kind. Claire thinks she might be Mr. Tanaka's mother, or perhaps his grandmother. The evening goes smoothly. The food comes out on time. The table is happy and quiet. Near the end of the meal, Claire looks at the cupcake in the kitchen. It is very pretty and perfect for a child. There's no time to make a new one. She decides to bring it out anyways. The older woman sees it. Her eyes go wide. She puts her hands together and laughs softly. It is the kind of laugh that feels like a surprise. Claire has not seen her smile yet, but now she is smiling too. The woman blows out the candle carefully, like a child at a birthday party. Mr. Tanaka nods at Claire just once. She understands. She walks back to her station. Everything was ready by 7, but that part she didn't plan.